Because sometimes, extinction doesn't happen in one moment. It builds slowly. Everyone says an asteroid killed the dinosaurs.
For decades, scientists believed the answer was simple. A massive asteroid, over 10 kilometers wide, struck the Earth 66 million years ago. The impact was beyond anything life had ever experienced. It released energy greater than billions of nuclear explosions. Everything near the impact was instantly destroyed. Forests burned, oceans rose. Shockwaves traveled across the entire planet. The sky turned into fire, and then into darkness. Sunlight disappeared. Temperatures dropped. Plants died, and the food chain collapsed. Within a relatively short time, the dinosaurs were gone. This event, known as the Chicxulub impact, became the official explanation, the moment that ended an era. But over time, scientists began to notice something strange, something that didn't fully fit, because evidence suggested that life on Earth was already under pressure long before the asteroid arrived. Millions of years before the asteroid impact, the Earth was already changing. In what is now India, massive volcanic eruptions were taking place. These eruptions, known as the Deccan Traps, were unlike anything we see today. They didn't last for days or months. They lasted for hundreds of thousands of years, constantly releasing gases into the atmosphere: carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, toxic particles. The climate began to shift. Temperatures fluctuated. Oceans became unstable. Acid rain may have fallen across large regions. Ecosystems were slowly weakening. Food sources became less reliable. Species began to decline. The dinosaurs still ruled the planet, but their world was no longer stable. It was already under stress, already fragile, already changing. And then, the asteroid came. What if it wasn't one event, but two? A dying planet and a final impact combined. The volcanic activity had already weakened life, reduced food, unstable climate, fragile ecosystems, and then the asteroid struck, delivering the final blow, a chain reaction that life could not recover from. The sky filled with dust and ash, blocking sunlight completely. Temperatures dropped even further. Plants disappeared almost entirely. And without plants, nothing else could survive. The dinosaurs, once unstoppable, could not adapt fast enough. They were too large, too dependent, too specialized, and in a world that was collapsing, they had no chance. So, what really killed the dinosaurs? Was it the asteroid or the volcanoes? The truth is, it may have been both, a perfect storm of destruction. One event alone might not have been enough, but together, they changed the course of life forever. Because extinction is rarely simple. It is not always one moment, but a series of events, building pressure until everything breaks. And even today, our planet is not immune. Climate changes, natural disasters, cosmic threats. The same forces that ended the dinosaurs still exist, still active, still unpredictable. And the question remains, if it happened before, could it happen again?